Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to auto shutdown Windows 11 PC or laptop. To schedule an automatic shutdown, you can do the following. Click Start button, then type task in the search box. Open the Task Scheduler app. Select Create Basic Task in the Actions panel. Give a name, like Auto Shutdown, and click Next. Select when you want the task to activate and click Next. Enter the time and date, then click Next. Select Start a Program and click Next. Enter the following path. The path is in my description box. Add arguments is an optional field. Type this command. This command forces a shutdown immediately. Click Finish to complete the process. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.